In Russia, Prime Minister Manmohan Singh reassured that the Kudankulam nuclear power plant was set to become operational in a few weeks. Back home, the protesters stepped up the ante against the Prime Minister's announcement. On Sunday, thousands of people will take out a protest rally from Kanyakumari to Radhapuram. On his flight back from Russia on Saturday, Prime Minister Manmohan Singh downplayed the agitation.
Here is a plant of 2000 megawatts set up at a cost to the nation of 14,000 crores. We cannot simply let it idle. More and more people, including the legislature, the members of parliament, and I think they are increasingly of the view that this agitation is overdone.
But Chief Minister Jayalalitha did not take too warmly to the Prime Minister's statement in Russia and hit out at the PM for preempting the move without allaying security fears.
I was amazed to see in the media that at a joint press conference with the Russian president, you had announced that the Kudankulam nuclear power project will be operationalized in a couple of weeks. It is imperative that necessary measures to allay the fears of the people are undertaken before any precipitate action is embarked upon.
And this is a sentiment that angry locals who have been protesting for months share.
We are asking for the closure of the plant because this plant is being imposed on us. We were never consulted. There was no public hearing. No environmental impact assessment was shared with us.
The intervention of former President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who said that
there is no need to worry about the safety of the Kudankulam nuclear power plant as it is being constructed with the most advanced technology,
failed to dispel safety concerns. The centre has tried to reach out to the protesters by sending emissaries, while its ally, the DMK, has played it safe so far.
I hope the PM took everyone's opinion into consideration. If that is the case, then I welcome the decision of opening the plant.
With the PM's statement on the opening of the nuclear power plant on one hand and the protesters' threat of intensifying the agitation on the other, the uncertainty continues to cloud over the future of the Kudankulam power plant. With Meenakshi Mahadevan in Chennai, in New Delhi, Priyadarshini Mitra.